Hi guys. Welcome back to my another video. I hope all is well with you. By looking at the thumbnail, you can probably guess what I'll be showing you in today's video. Let's enter the video now. Today I'll demonstrate how to use an ISO file to upgrade from an older version of Windows to Windows 10. This procedure is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 8.1. We must first download the Windows 10 ISO file in order to begin this procedure. Let's download it first. Open the instructions article linked in the video description. It contains all the required download links. According to the type of your system, click on the ISO download link. Download the 32-bit version if you are using a 32-bit Windows system. Download the 64-bit version if you are running 64-bit Windows. Click on this link if you are unsure of the type of your system. Your system type and Windows version will be displayed. There are different ways to view the system type, though. Let's investigate that. Go to your computer's desktop, right-click the computer icon, and then choose Properties. You can see the system type from here, which is 32-bit in my case. There is another way to look at this information. Press the Windows logo button and then the R letter key together from your keyboard. Type MSInfo32 in the small box and press Enter key. From here, we can view the complete device information. And this is the system type, which indicates x86, which denotes 32-bit. If you are using 64-bit Windows, it will display x64. Now, return to the instruction article and download the ISO file in accordance with the system type of your device. If you are using Google Chrome, you can see the download status in the bottom left corner. There are many ways to view the download progress. Select Download by clicking on the three dots. You can get to it by simultaneously pressing the Control key and the J letter together. The download progress is visible here, and depending on your internet speed, it may take some time. To ensure that you are prepared for the next step, wait until this entire download process is complete. To shorten the length of this video, I will fast forward it. Okay, the file has downloaded successfully, and we are now ready to move on to Step 2. Scroll down to Step 2. This tool needs to be downloaded. This tool will help us to extract the ISO file we downloaded in Step 1, and launch the installation process automatically. This tool will save our ton of time, and will be helpful to non-techie users. Click on this link. It won't take long to complete because it is a small file. Like before, you can watch the download progress from the download list. In order to access the download list, hold down the Ctrl and J keys simultaneously. When this download is finished, click Show in Folder. To run this one, double-click this Windows ISO installer file. It's asking for your Windows 10 product key. It ought to be in your order email. You can get a key from me if you haven't bought one already. Type your product key on the command prompt screen. Make sure you enter 25 letters only. After typing the key there, hit enter on your keyboard. It will check your key, and if it is flawless, it will automatically download the required files and install them for you. If you lost this black command screen during the installation process, do not be scared, it will be open in your taskbar. At the bottom of your computer screen, look at your taskbar. And look for a black icon there. It will become visible once more if you click that black icon. If any permissions are requested, make sure to click the Yes button. Your screen will display the ISO extract procedure, which could take some time depending on your computer's speed. After that, it will launch the upgrade tool for you automatically. If any permissions are requested, make sure to click the Yes button. Your device may restart a few times during this installation process. This is normal. And the length of the installation process depends on the speed of your computer and hard disk. To reduce the length of the video, I will fast forward it. We have finally upgraded to Windows 10. Here is our new Windows 10 desktop screen. That's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you at the next one.